Imagine setting up a motovlogging channel on YouTube with hopes to hit 1 million subscribers, but your audio sounds something like this.
Okay, my short spin on the brake gets over here.
But you want it to sound something like this.
So how do we get to this? Today we'll do just that. Let's start off with the things that we'll need. You will need a helmet, and you shouldn't be planning to ride without one. What I got here is an empty Mugello wiper, but you could pick anything from an LS2 to an AGV. Up next, you need a GoPro. You could either get the Hero 5, 6 or 7 or even the Hero 8 Black. Pick what suits your pocket. This is a Hero 5 Black, and I don't think we would even be using this to its full potential. So a Hero 5 Black is more than enough. Along with the GoPro, we also need an official Pro mic adapter. There's absolutely no shortcuts for this. You have to spend on a mic adapter if you need good audio. This is an Ulanzi vlog case. The case itself is optional. You could just use a stock GoPro case, but this just makes everything much cleaner. What I have here is a Mono AU400 lavalier mic. I'd suggest you to get the one from Purple Panda if it's available in your country. If not, you could either pick the Rode SC3 TRRS to TRS adapter or get the Mono AU400. We also need some GoPro mounts. Now that we have everything that we need, let's get into the process of building it. First, let's set up the GoPro. 1080p 60fps is what I would keep it at. That's absolutely no necessary for 4K 60fps. You might do it if your rig is capable of editing it. If not, 1080p 60fps is more than enough for YouTube. I'll keep it in super view mode since we get the best POV with that feature. Stand stabilization is turned on. Everything else is set to auto since the GoPro knows it better. Make sure you remove the side door as well. Keep in mind the camera now is no longer waterproof. Next, let's get this inside the Ulanzi case. And then place the microphone adapter in its place. This is the only reason why we got this aftermarket case. The mic adapter would have been on the helmet if not. Make sure you plug it in. Now we stick the cord mount onto the helmet, something like this. Route the microphone into the helmet in a way it's convenient to you. Manage the wires so that it doesn't interfere while you use it. And finally bring everything together, you're done.
Alright, so this is how my motovlogging setup turned out. I'm pretty satisfied with it. And you will need a few more things that I didn't mention in the video. Firstly, you will need a micro SD card to have the camera functional. That's not included in the box, so you'll have to buy it separately. What I have here is SanDisk Extreme 128 gigs card. You could get anything micro SD and it's going to work. And then the GoPro batteries, they run out of juice after a while, so you'll have to get few additional batteries and a dual charger. That will set you back by another 6,000 rupees. So all in all, about $500 to $600, that's 30 to 40,000 rupees to have a solid setup like this one. And then talking about the microphone, the problem with GoPros are that you can't plug in any other mic into the GoPro adapter and expect it to work, because you need a TRS mic, and a TRS mics hardly exist these days. So what I have here is a TRRS to TRS adapter that was included in the Mono AU400 box. The mic itself was the most expensive piece of crap I've bought ever. I paid about 600 rupees for this mic, but this is not worth it. I wouldn't suggest you to get that one. So I'm just using the adapter from the box and have a generic mic from Amazon worth 300 rupees, and that works just fine. But if you are looking to get yourself a mic that works well with GoPro, just get the Rode SE3 TRRS to TRS adapter. That's about 1100 rupees. And use any other mic from Amazon. That's going to work just well. However, if you can get the Purple Panda in your country, just get it, because that's incredible. That's the best mic out there for GoPros. And that also includes the adapter in the box. So that is it for this vlog. It's really hard to motovlog during a pandemic once it. So I took this opportunity to update my motovlogging setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.